Hi, I'm Nathan from the Wood Project. I'm going to show you through our in-ground treatment kits for posts. Any timber that's in the ground around your property, for post and rail fencing, pergola posts, any timber in the ground, this is a must. So basically, to reduce the chance of fungal rot, all timber will rot in ground. This will delay it by 10, 15, 20 years. Power pole companies have been using it for 30 years now. And they've managed to have the life expectancy of power poles upgraded from 29 years to 59 years in ground now using this treatment. And we're now offering it in kit form so anyone can use this. I'll take you through it. So basically your kit's going to look like this. You've got the drill bits, the chemical rods, instructions, plugs, everything you need, but we'll go through that at the end. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So if we come over here, I've got my auger bit ready to go. So we're going to drill 300 mil into the post. So the first thing I'll do is I'll measure 300 mil onto my auger bit and mark. So I marked at 300 mil. The next step, so this is an 8x8 post or a 200 by 200. I will be drilling off-centered about 100 mil from ground level on a 20-degree angle. So I'll just drill a pilot hole to get it going. And now I'll go on my angle. So I keep going in and out. I've drawn all my sawdust out. I'll go back in again once I've finished my depth, just to make sure I've got the sawdust in and out. Okay. So the next step will be put a glove on. Time to insert the chemical. So these chemical rods are 100 mil long. I've just drilled a 300 mil hole, but I've got to allow enough room for my plug too, which will take up about 30 mil. So I'll be inserting 2.5. So there's 1, 2, so that's 200 mil. Then I'll just break one in half, put that half in. And that's it for your rods. Now we just fasten the plug, which is in your kit. So now it's just time to put our plastic plug in. Grab the square plug driver. Screw it into the hole. Now sometimes those plastic plugs will not screw into some really hard timbers like ironbark. So instead of using the plug, you would simply silicone the hole, and then 5 years later when it's time to retreat with more chemical rods, all you do is just drill through the silicone and away you go. But most timbers you'll be fine with the plastic plugs. Just be aware of some of the real hard timbers. It might not bite into the timber, so just silicone. So now that once we've done that first hole, we're not finished. We're going to do a second hole. So we put one off centre on this side. We come around to this side of the post and we'll off centre it this side. So that one is off centre that side, this one this side. The reason we do this is when the rods start diffusing, which is when the moisture content in the timber reaches above 20%, they'll diffuse 75 mil into the timber. So 75 mil each side of the chemical rods. So that's why we off-centre there and we off-centre there. So we're treating the whole post. Okay, so now you know how to install the treatment rods. How do you get the kit? So the Wood Project kits are available on our website. There's a heap of information on our in-ground post-treatment kit page. all the information you'd want there. There's graphs on how many holes, but depending on the size post you're using, that type of thing. Now, what's in the kit is a 13mm auger, 457mm long, really good quality auger bit. We've got the plastic plugs. We've got the square plug screwdriver. Then the pole saver rods. And we've also got step-by-step instructions on how to install your treatment rods. Any other questions, the website should answer it. You can email us. But that should answer all your questions on the webpage.